Alright, so today with Jeblin we're going to be showing you how to paint your airsoft gun or anything urban camo. We got this idea from Call of Duty. It's pretty sick. So what you need to know about painting first is you need to make sure that you have something under the gun that you're painting so it doesn't go all over the floor, obviously. You need to shake your cans really well. I've already shaken mine. And the kind of paint you're going to want to use is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover. That'd be perfect. And we're not using that all today because we're just showing you the basics on how to do it, but it's close enough. So I've already got mine shooken up, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make a base coat of white. So what you're going to want to do, it doesn't matter which end you start on, so you're going to paint in an up and down motion. Don't get too close or else it'll get really weird and it'll take forever to dry. And hold on, when you're done with that, you're going to want to let it sit for about, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes, and then you'll be ready for your next coat. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes, and what I forgot to mention is we taped up the trigger, and that's it. So remember to tape over anything you don't want to paint, like things inside. Might affect how it works, but whatever. And we're using a template. I put a leaf over a piece of paper and I cut it out with an X-Acto knife or like a razor. You can use a razor or just a knife. And we're putting it down and we're painting over it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use black. Alright, so you want to paint over the edges. Don't hold it too close. It won't look very good. There you go. Now I'm skipping the stock right now because it doesn't need that much painting. You try to use different parts of the leaf for everything. It just looks better that way. When too much paint collects on it, just like wipe it off on something so you won't accidentally drip any paint on the gun. We're almost done here with this red. And you can just like put a little, some places you don't need it. Alright, so that should be enough for black, but if you want Arctic, then I guess you could just go with that. Looks pretty sick. So that's it for the second part. And you let that dry. You don't have to let it dry that long because you're not going to be touching it. You just have to let it dry after you're done with the last coat. So let it dry a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then go to your next layer, which will be red. Alright, now for the red layer. Alright. Ooh, it looks sexy. Go to the stock. Do a couple of these. Rip it off. Try to spray over as much white as you can because there's not much white in the urban. So It's gonna look sick. Too much paint on it. Alright, we're almost done. Couple more sprays. Ooh, something got on there. And we'll put a couple things on the stock. And that pretty much sums it up for the urban paint job. A couple more sprays here and there and we'll be done. And now you let it dry. This one will take a couple minutes, like longer than all the other ones. So to be safe, about 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 30 if you want to be real safe. But that's it. And our next paint job, we're going to be painting our Echo 1G3. Right, this is the finished product. And it's pretty sexy. To finish it, all you have to do is flip it over and repeat. Here's the other side. Pretty sexy. Magazine, we didn't do it. We didn't feel like it. Still looks pretty awesome. We didn't do the flash hider either. The flash hider screws off. You can paint it if you want, but we decided not to. Retractable stock. Looks pretty beast. So our next paint job is going to be on the Echo 1G3. It's a big DSR sniper rifle. And we're going to be painting it fall from Modern Warfare 2. And it's going to be pretty sick. So follow us at Jeblin and we'll show you how to do the fall paint job on the G3. See you then.